everybody. Today we are going to be unboxing this angel wings, and today we are going to be starting doing it. So last time in my squishy video I didn't really get to do it because and I had a little guest, but he's not going to be in the video. Do we take these off? Oh, yay. Okay. This looks like Harley Quinn. My assistant here, my dad. Yup, he's in the other side, so he'll help me open them. But here, I'll take the lid off, and here you go. I wonder what these are. I never had one of these before. I got them for my birthday. Ooh, we got a star. Oh. We got these wings. Okay, everything just went everywhere. 1 second. Can you grab them? Star brush. There's one that's underneath the table, I think. I don't know. Find one? Okay, whatever. Okay. We got this, whatever this thing is. I think it's a headband. I do not know. But there's still more surprises. Ooh, is this slime? Surprise angel cloud. What's the angel cloud? Where do you put the wings? Do you put the wings anywhere? You got wings. But where do you put them? Like right here? Do you put them in the back? You should put them in the back, but where do they go? Well, we got this one. So now we have other surprises, but I'm trying to figure out what this angel cloud is. My sister and my dad come in. So yeah. So if you guys do not know, what I'm wearing is from Zombies. And if you guys haven't watched it, I mean, you guys have to watch it. It is the best movie. Oh, okay. Yep. Oh. Whatever. Okay. Now we got glasses. Is this putty? Yay. What just happened? Woo! Yay! Here you go, partner. Here you go, guys. Can you grab it to the screen? Grab it. You guys grabbed it. Now I got mine, and let's play with it for a little bit. Dun 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 dun. Boom. I'm just playing with it for a little bit. And let's stop playing with it because I'll waste all of our time. And now let's move on. The second angel high. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. We'll just yeah, I'm trying to open it. Can you help me, Daddy? Yeah. So we got these. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. I got a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and I got this, a little bit of that. Daddy, go quick. So Dad's now opening the second one, and she's gonna have a friend. Yay, yay, yay. Okay. She's having a little bit of This ball is having a little bit of surgery with the skin right now. So that's okay. That's A-okay. Uh, yeah. Yep, we got it. Oh, we got this now. Got this little one. Okay, I'm excited to see what her wings are. You were coming alive, baby. Here you go. No, I can be a fairy. I wonder what wings we will get it. Okay, let's. Oh, we got little angels. Look at these wings. Oh my. Now we are the special girls. Dun, 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 dun. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe and see more videos and comment down to see what videos will you like. So, bye. But also, make sure to comment and ask us what videos we'd like to do. Bye.